Hi, I've been thinking about starting my own small business. Do you have any experience or advice in that area?
Absolutely. I actually started my own small business a few years ago. I'd be happy to share some insights and tips with you. What kind of business are you interested in starting?
I'm considering opening a bakery specializing in artisan bread and pastries. I have a passion for baking and want to turn it into a business. Where should I begin?
That's a great idea. To start, you'll need to create a business plan. It will outline your goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategies. It's a crucial step in setting a strong foundation for your business.
That makes sense. I'll start working on a business plan right away. What about legal requirements and permits?
It's important to research the legal requirements for starting a bakery in your area. You may need to obtain permits and licenses, such as a food handler's permit and a business license. Check with your local government or small business association for specific regulations.
I'll definitely look into that. How about funding the business? Do you have any suggestions on securing startup capital?
Funding can be obtained through various sources. You can consider self-funding by using your savings or approaching family and friends for investment. Additionally, you can explore small business loans from banks or consider crowdfunding platforms to raise capital.
Thanks for the advice. I'll explore those options and see what works best for me. What about finding a suitable location for the bakery?
Location is crucial for a bakery. Look for areas with high foot traffic or near residential neighborhoods. Consider the size of the space, parking availability, and accessibility for customers. Also, negotiate a favorable lease agreement to keep your expenses in check.
I'll keep those factors in mind while searching for a location. What marketing strategies do you recommend to attract customers?
Marketing is essential to promote your bakery. Start by creating a visually appealing website and engaging social media profiles. Offer tastings and discounts during the initial period, and don't forget to collaborate with local influencers or food bloggers for exposure.
I'll work on establishing a strong online presence and leveraging social media to reach potential customers. Do you have any advice on managing finances and keeping track of expenses?
It's crucial to maintain accurate financial records from the start. Consider using accounting software or hiring an accountant to help with bookkeeping, tax filings, and financial planning. Regularly review your expenses and revenue to ensure profitability.
I'll definitely prioritize financial management and seek professional assistance if needed. How about hiring staff for the bakery?
As your business grows, you may need to hire employees. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities you need, and conduct thorough interviews to find the right fit. Provide proper training and foster a positive work environment to retain talented staff.
I'll keep that in mind when the time comes to expand my team. Is there anything else I should be aware of when starting a small business?
It's essential to stay adaptable and open to learning from the challenges you may face. Network with other business owners, attend industry events, and seek mentorship to gain valuable insights and guidance along the way.
That's valuable advice. I'll make sure to keep a growth mindset and seek support from experienced professionals. Thank you for sharing your expertise.
You're welcome. I wish you the best of luck with your bakery. Starting a small business can be challenging, but with dedication and passion, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions.